Welcome back to my channel. Here comes another nice challenge which reads c plus 3125 to the power of c is equals to 0. So what then is the possible value of c? So please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe, and by the time you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you get notified anytime I drop videos on math. So let's see how we can solve this. We can simply say solution. Okay, since we've written this, we can say c plus 3125 to the power of c is equals to 0. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to bring c to this right hand side of the equation, so we can have this to be 3125 to the power of c is equals to minus c. Okay, haven't done this, what are we going to do? We are going to multiply both sides of the equation to the power of 1 over c. So if we should do that, we are going to have 3125 to the power of c, or to the power of 1 over c, is equals to minus c, or to the power of 1 over c. Okay, haven't done this, what are we going to do? Recall from your principle of indices, if we are having a to the power of m, close bracket, or to the power of 1 over m, is also equals to a to the power of m times 1 over m. So if you apply this rule here, we have this to be 3125 c times 1 over c equals to, open bracket, minus c, close bracket, to the power of 1 over c. Okay, this is what we are now having. So if we obey this principle, this and this will cancel off, which is also equals to a to the power of 1. So if we should put this principle here again, we can have this to be 3125 to the power of 1 is equals to, open bracket, minus c, close bracket, to the power of 1 over c. Okay, this is what we are now having. The word then is the next step. So we are now having 3125 equals to, open bracket, minus c, close bracket, 1 over c. For us to look for the value of c, we are going to substitute another value in the place of c. So I'm going to do something. So this is what I'm going to do. Note, we have to be careful here. I'm going to say let minus c equals to 1 over a. Let minus c equals to 1 over a. Let minus c equals to 1 over a, and let minus a equals to 1 over c. Let c minus c equals to 1 over a, and minus a equals to 1 over c. So wherever we see 1 over c, we'll put a there, and wherever we see minus c, we'll put 1 over a. So we can have this to be 3125 equals to, so we are seeing minus c here, right? We can put 1 over a, close bracket, and we're having 1 over c, so we can put minus a. So which implies we are having our 3125 equals to, open bracket, 1 over a, close bracket, to the power of negative a. Okay, haven't done this, we are now having this. Recall from your basic rule of indices, if you're having 1 over b, it's also equals to b to the negative 1. It's also equals to b to the, so if we should put this, apply this principle here, we can have our 3125 equals to a to the power of negative 1, or to the power of negative a, So we are now having this. Also note, if you are having a to the power of m, or to the power of n, it's also equals to a to the power of n times n. So if we should put this principle here, we have this to be 3125 equals to a to the negative 1 times negative a. And when negative number multiply itself, it's going to turn to positive, right? So we're now having this to be 3125 is equals to a to the power of what? Of a. We're now having 3125 to be a to the power of a. What are we simply going to do? We can switch. So we can say a to the power of a is equals to 3100 and what? 125. 3125. So from here, what are we going to do? Note, 3125 is also equals to 5 to the power of 5. So we can say a to the power of a is also equals to 5 to the power of 5. So by comparison, a is equals to 5. But we are not interested in a. What are we interested in? We are interested on c. So we recall we said minus c is equals to 1 over a, right? So say minus c is equals to 1 over a. And we can say c is also equals to minus 1. We can say c is also equals to minus 1 over a. Therefore, c is equals to minus 1 over, what's your a? Our a is equals to 5. Minus 1 over 5. Therefore, our c is equals to minus 0.2. Minus 0.2. So this is the value for c. Our c is equals to minus 0.2. So since we've got to the value of c, we are going to do something very quickly. We are going to substitute the value of c into our question to see whether it's going to give us equals to 0. So what is our question? Our question says, we can simply write it here. Our question says c plus 3125 to the power of c is equals to 0. I will know c to be minus 0.2, right? Let's demarcate. So we can say minus 0.2 plus 3125 to the power of minus 0.2 equals to what? Equals to 0, right? Okay. If you are having something like this, always note, if you are having a to the power of negative 1, it's also equals to 1 over a. So if we should put this principle here, we can say minus 0.2 plus 1 over 3125 to the power of 0.2 equals to 0. So if we should put this principle here, 3 to the power of 3125 to the power of 0.2 is equals to 5. So we can say, should demarcate it, we can say minus 0.2 plus 1 over 5. So if you should punch your calculator, 3125 to the power of 0.2 is going to give us 5 equals to 0. So we are now having minus 0.2 plus 1 divided by 5 is going to give us 0.2 is equals to 0. So you can see minus 0.2 plus 0.2 is going to give us 0. So 0 is equals to 0. So the value of c is correct. C equals to minus 0.2. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell. And please don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button. Bye for now. Jesus loves you, and see you in my subsequent video. Bye bye.